Hi students, children, welcome to your another session of your online classes. Let's begin with the topic for today. Children, today I want to teach you a concept which is known as molecular mass. Okay. Now, in the previous topics, I have already taught you children what is meant by atomic mass. Mass of an atom. Okay. When compared with the 1/12 of a carbon atom is known as at the atomic mass of that particular atom. Okay. Now children, I told you that in this particular lesson you will have to learn certain concept. This is table number 3.2, and in this particular table some of the masses of certain atoms are given. Okay, you don't have to by heart them. You have to by heart table number 3.6, not this one. These are standard values, so they will be given in your question paper. Now children, today I will teach you that how to calculate the molecular mass, because atomic masses are already being calculated. Okay, so mass of a molecule is known as molecular mass. Okay, so children, let us try to find out molecular mass of certain molecules. Okay, I have some names already written with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will teach you 2, then you do the third part. Okay, children, carbon dioxide, next is water, and third is NO2. This is carbon dioxide, this is water, and children, this is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, now the atomic mass of these particular atoms will be given in your question paper, and they are already given in your textbook also. Children, what we have to do, we have to just do the simple mathematical calculation. Okay, now you can take the help of the book. Okay, what is the atomic mass of carbon, children? It is 12. Oxygen, it is 16. Okay, now how many atoms of oxygen are there, children? 2 are there, so it will be 16 into 2. And what will be our answer? 32, it will be 44. Right? Now you know children that when we study science and when we are doing certain calculation, so for every calculation there is a standard unit. Okay, there is a SI unit. Okay, now let me tell you the SI unit of molecular mass. Initially, SI unit of molecular mass was taken as AMU. It was taken as AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, and one atomic mass unit is equal to 1 gram. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1 gram. Okay, but children, with the passage of time, scientists felt, and many of the researcher people felt that this is a very long unit. Okay, so it was shortened, and you remember I told you about IUPAC. Okay, it is a system that takes care of the nomenclature in chemistry, children. So IUPAC restructured the unit of molecular mass as U, small u. Okay, U means unified mass. So you can also write as AMU, and you can also write as U. Both will be counted as correct. Okay, but children, in the latest system we use U, so it will be 44 U. Right? Now you can understood. So the molecular mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide is 44 U, or in gram it will be 44 gram. Okay, same way children for water. You know, hydrogen is the lightest atom and it has got a molecular mass 1. Okay, now these values I am not telling you children, these values are already given in your textbook, so you can take the help of your textbook when you go through this particular concept. So how many atoms of oxygen, children? 2 atoms are there. That is why I taught you atomicity before this particular topic. Okay, now 1 into 2. Okay, plus oxygen how much? 16. So it will be written as 18U. Molecular mass 18U. Okay, now for nitrogen you can do, children, it will be nitrogen has got 14, so it will be 14 plus oxygen is how much? 16. How many molecule of oxygen, children, here? 2, so it will be 16 into 2. And how much? Now you find this, okay? And children, and this value will be again in U. So children, have you understood? Have you understood how to calculate the molecular mass of different molecules? Now, in your syllabus, we have very simple molecules, and children, I'll be giving you some homework also, some certain formulas I'll be giving you in which you have to calculate the molecular mass. Now children, let me go to some little bit higher concepts so that you understand it now. Children, one molecule of H2O is equal to how many gram? Just now we calculated, it is 18 U. One molecule of water molecule has how many mass? 18 U. Okay. Now, children, this is the molecular mass. Okay. Now, same thing can also be called as value for one formula unit. Okay, one formula unit. Understood? One molecule of water has got how much molecular mass? 18U. Okay, this 18U is also equal to one formula unit. Okay, but children, only thing, understood? And when you express molecular mass in gram, it will be called as gram molecular. It will be called as gram molecular mass. Understood? So children, when you calculate molecular mass, we are parallelly finding three things. Okay? When whatever molecular mass you find for one molecule, for example children, carbon dioxide, just now we calculated, it is 44U. So when it is molecular mass, it is 14U. Okay, but when I say what is the molecular mass for one formula unit for carbon dioxide, there also it will be 44. Okay, and when we express molecular mass in terms of gram, it is called as gram molecular mass. So it will be 14 gram. Have you understood, children? Have you understood? I hope you have understood. Now I am giving you some name of some 10 formulas. Okay, and you find the molecular mass, and you also write it as formula unit mass, and you also write it as gram molecular mass. Understood, children? Okay, I think I'll take two more examples so that you understand it in a better way. Na2CO3. Okay. Children, sodium is 23. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So how many atoms of it is? 2. Carbon how much, children? 12. And oxygen how much? 16. So 16 into 3. So how much does it come out? You write it as U. Understood? Let's find it. 46 plus 12 plus 48 and 10, 6, 4. It comes out to be 106 U. Okay? Understood, children? Okay. Should I give you some assignment? Sure? You will do it? CaCl2, C2H6, then 1, 2, 3, C2H5OH, okay, 4, Mg, AgCO3, okay, then 5 CaCO3, okay, and 6 is HCl. Understood, children? So this is your homework. Please do them. And in case you don't understand, please ask me. This is calcium chloride. This is ethane. Okay, children. This is ethanol. Okay. This is magnesium carbonate. This is calcium carbonate. Okay, and this is hydrochloric acid. Okay. I hope you understood today's concept. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care of yourself.